Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafters and welcome to my craft room. Today I'm sharing with you the Love from Lizi, and this is the December kit that I will be unboxing. So when you get your box, it comes packaged like so. Lizi puts them in these big Ziploc bags so that if the box gets damaged, then your items inside, hopefully this will protect them, at least from water or liquids. So what we're going to do is we're going to open the Ziploc bag, and I'm going to take everything out and go through them with you one thing at a time. Now I also got extra products. I got some peel-offs, which are extra to me as a design team member, but I will be sharing that with you. There are loads of other products available on Lizi's website, especially products that will go with this December kit. I'll leave links in everything that is available down below, so please check out the description down below as well. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to look at is the cardstock. We get 5 sheets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, there's 5. So we get this lovely dark black, we get this soft pink. I'm going to move those over there and start as we mean to go on. We also get this lovely, I don't know, girly pink. We get this fuchsia pink, and we also get a sheet of white. This is marker, Copic, Spectrum Noir, that kind of thing. You can also use it for stamping, and it's a really good quality white sheet of cardstock that Lizi puts in. Okay, so next of all, we're going to have a look at the paper pack, and I love the colors on this paper pack. This is Party Time, and there are 24 single-sided pattern sheets of 200 GSM cardstock, and they're 6 by 6. So all the info we need is on the outside sheet. So you get this sheet. Now you can die cut out a sentiment and fill in this area and use this as a background on a card. I've done that before, so don't waste this piece. It can be used. And I love the designs on this paper. There's a lot of what looks like sparkle, but it's not a glitter at all. These are totally smooth, and they are lovely, like I said, 200 GSM. So I'll just quickly go through all the different sheets. Lovely cupcakes and flowers. It's like streamers, dots, gift packages. That's lovely. I love the colour on that. They're like leaves, moustaches, floral. Again, more dots, diamonds, leaves, and I forget what these are called. Masks, yeah, but I mean there's a name for that type of mask, isn't there? Then these are like starburst, and then we have one sheet with 4 cut parts that you can use on your card, and they're single-sided, so you're not stressing about, oh, but I really like the other side. This one says hello new year and cheers to the new year, but I think the colors and everything on this can be used any time of the year for happy birthdays, thank yous, whatever, you know. Okay, so next off, let's have a look. We also get these chipboard stickers. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, no, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. I thought there was 9. And it doesn't tell you how many. So there's 10 chipboard stickers and they open here. You'll have to excuse the state of my nails and my hands. We've just moved house and I have to say my hands are ruined. I'm not going to take them all out now because they'll just pop out. So I'm going to take the one out just to show you how thick they are. There's a lovely thickness to these. These are great. These would be lovely on a wobbler on a card. I think be very cool. So we get those. And everything is color coordinated. I'll leave those there. Then next thing we get are these rub-on transfers. So what you do is you get your little stick. Do you remember these? I remember these from when I was a kid. We used to get them. The rub-on transfers, and for doing tattoos, like a fake tattoo. My mother hates tattoos. Oh, she hates them. And I have one, look, just there. Anyway, so you take your sheet, and there is just one sheet of these, and I think the backing peels off. Yeah. And then you put this onto your cardstock, so your cardstock goes on underneath it, and then you use your lollipop stick to rub off the transfer onto your paper, and all that'll go on is just the image there. It's a really cool idea, really really clever for jazzing up a card. So yeah, we get those. We'll leave that there. We also get some ephemera. I love ephemera, and the reason I love ephemera, or die cuts, whatever you want to call them, is because it makes a quick card. You know, you can use them for pop-ups, for wiper cards, so many different ideas you can use them in, and you get loads in this pack. We get lots of images, sentiments. I love the cake. Happy New Year. Midnight wishes, New Year kisses. Isn't that lovely? It's lovely for stamping a sentiment on. Cheers to the new year. Is it midnight yet? We have a wreath. You pop out this middle part. Another piece for sentiments. We get absolutely loads. Party time, that can be for any time. Legends are born in January. A lovely little bow, a little floral. Cheers. Leaf. Lots and lots of ephemera. Really lots of lovely pieces. Love that. Okay, we also get some ribbon, and again we have 5 lovely shades of ribbon, and we get some enamel dots, and these are glittered enamel dots, or sparkly enamel dots. I hope you can see there in the light, and you can see there they have similar colors between the two, so these are going to really, the colorway on these are going to match really well. We also get some peel-offs. These are a lovely, I'm just looking in the light, they look black but they're not. They're very dark brown, or maybe they're black, but there's gold on them as well. These are really lush, really lush. I love these, and peel-offs are great to help you rather than putting mats and layers. They give great outline on your projects. So we have those, and these match really well with the rub-ons. We get some glitter, or not glitter, sequins. Glitter on the head. I love the colors in these. There's lovely soft pinks, fuchsia pinks, golds, creams, blacks. I mean, all the colors that is in our pattern paper is in the sequins. I think Lizzie did a brilliant job with that. And we also get this large die. So this die, it doesn't cut out this shape. What it does is when you put this on your paper or cardstock, it cuts these little lines. It's like a sunburst into your paper or your cardstock. So the it a wonderful, wonderful die to use. Absolutely love it. I'm just going to take it out. And we also get a little die with the word party. Love that. So I'm going to take this die and I'm going to cut it out on some cardstock so that you can see it. Okay, so when you use this die, it cuts out the shape into your card or your paper. And then the party, this word die cuts out in 3 pieces. So you get the P, then the A or T, and then the Y. So it's not all one word. It is party as in one word, but it die cuts it out in 3 pieces, which is handy because if you wanted the word art, you know, there you go, you have it. But that's just a simple idea of you know, die cutting this sunburst into a card. You could back it with some colored cardstock behind it, or maybe a little image behind it like this, you know, which is really cool in real life. But you could put 21 today, happy birthday, party in the middle. There's so much you could do with this die. Absolutely lovely. But that's just to show you the 2 dies that we get in the kit. This is how they work. Okay, so now we have the stamps, and these are the stamps that we get. There are loads. Let's see, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 stamps on this. And there's lots of really cool sentiments. Let me see if I can read them all. I think I need to go to Specsavers. Midnight Wishes and New Year Kisses. We had that in one of the cut aparts. Party Time, Happy New Year, Oh Night Divine, Pop the Bubbly. That can be used for any time of year. Party Time can be used any time of year. Is it midnight yet? Wishing all my family and friends a Happy New Year. Brilliant. I don't have anything like that in my stash. Happy New Year. Cheers to a new year. Do something good today. That can be used anytime. A friend will always make you smile. Again, any time can be used. 365. New days. The best is yet to come. The year is yours. Make it pop like pink champagne. Now or never, and follow your heart. And then we have another of the sunburst or starburst, whatever you want to call it. Like the die, we have a stamp similar. So they're the stamps and the die, and that's everything that comes in the kit. And I think for your money, you get a fabulous amount of product. Really brilliant, great for making cards, gift boxes, little gift bags, you know, fabulous, and a fantastic stash builder. As a design team member, I also got 2 extra packs of the peel-offs. Beautiful colors. Again, let's have a look. This one is straight line peel-offs in this lovely holographic gold, black glitter, a copper, and a lovely soft pink. And then this one, this has got the wavy line peel-offs. I love those. We've got the thick pink sparkly peel-offs, regular peel-offs in a purple metallic, and then we've got stars. So brilliant, brilliant to have. So that's everything in the kit. I would really recommend that you have a look at the Love from Lizi website. I'll leave links to everything I can down below. I'll also leave links to Lizi's unboxing of the kit, as well as her extra video with all the add-ons that you can purchase through Lizi's website. So that's it. Next time you see me will be when I'm making my 10 cards 1 kit. Fingers crossed I have it up for this Sunday. For those of you that follow me, I have recently moved. I'm getting my new craft room up and running, and yeah, I just, you know what? I can't find anything for the life of me, but I'm getting there. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. So it's a joyful, wonderful experience. So I have everything crossed. I'm going to get a video made and up for Sunday. If not, I'll have it up for next week. Sure, there's no rush. Christmas is coming. So, but I will have a 10 card 1 kit video using this beautiful product coming to my channel. So keep an eye open for that. And like I said, if you're a subscriber, you'll be notified when I post another video. If not, click on the subscribe button down below. That way you'll get notified each time I post a new video. And guys, it costs you nothing. It just tells YouTube you're interested in my videos and videos similar. So that's it. I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching my Love from Lizi unboxing of the December 2021 card kit, and see you soon. Bye for now.